Hi everyone. I'm going to talk about section 2.3, molecules of life. Stop this video if you need to write notes. The first point there, it says list 4 classes of organic molecules found in cells. And so to do that, it first would help to know what is an organic molecule. And that organic molecules refers to molecules that contain carbon and hydrogen. And these are highly associated with living organisms. The molecules that we call inorganic molecules do not contain carbon. But those that are organic have to contain carbon and hydrogen. They can contain other elements too, but they have to contain carbon and hydrogen. So the 4 major categories of organic molecules are carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and nucleic acids, and we're going to explore that further. Before we do that, though, I just want to clarify the next point. It says describe the process by which organic molecules are assembled and disassembled. And that is described by this paragraph and this text, this diagram right here. And so if this is one molecule here, one subunit of an organic molecule, and here's another subunit of an organic molecule. What happens is there's a process called a dehydration reaction. And I'm giving you this vocabulary because they refer to it in later sections. So dehydration, we all know what that means, taking away water. And hopefully you know that water is H2O. So what happens commonly in biochemical reactions is when you remove a water from these 2 molecules that are similar, an OH and an H makes an H2O. Now you've got these things that need to bond to something and they end up bonding to each other. So a dehydration reaction makes larger molecules. The other thing you can do is you can add a water back. I can reverse this reaction, and we call that a hydrolysis. Hydro, water, lysis, to break. So we can use water to break a larger molecule. So add the water back, break this bond, and now you have the subunits of that molecule again, or of that larger molecule. So dehydration forms larger molecules, and hydrolysis is a biochemical reaction that breaks larger molecules into smaller. That's it. If you go check out the vocabulary on your study guide. We didn't cover the word macromolecule. And here you go. When a cell constructs a macromolecule, a molecule may contain many subunits. So we have to do dehydration reactions to create macromolecules, bigger molecules. And that's it for section 2.3.